Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up this Nova bedside commode. This is what it looks like, right here, commode. So what is a commode used for? Is for elderly people that have a hard time, going to the bathroom. So basically you just put this commode by the bedside, and then he or she can use it. And then after you finish, there's a bucket right here with a handle. You can just take it and dump it into the toilet. And this is easy to do. This is foldable one, so it's easy to assemble, and it's also great for traveling because it's foldable. You can fold it back and put it in the box after you assemble. It's easy. There's no tool required. So let me show you how. This is a nice one. From Nova. I think it's a guarantee for 1 year. So this is a very good one. So the first thing we need to do is just assemble the frame or the stand. Right here, it's easy to do. Like this. This is where the bucket sit right here. So see, there's two holes, on one on this side, one on the right side. There's a clip right here. So press this clip and then push it to the hole, and then still are locked into this hole right here. So it's easy to do. One, clip in there. When you hear the click, that's it. All right. Make sure the little clip right here, click into that hole. That's it. And install the backrest. So the backrest go this way. It's a little pin right here, push it down, and then just click right there. Let me turn it around. So this is called a splash guard. Just put it right here. This is the bucket with the lid, and that will sit in there. And this is a toilet seat. So all you need to do is just clip it on the back right here. That's it, clip it. It's easy to do, just clip it on. The toilet seat cover, clip it on. That's it, no tool needed. It's easy. 1, 2, 3. Right there. You can adjust the height right here. See? On the stand right here, you can adjust the height, how tall you want the commode to stand up. So there are many holes right here. Just adjust it according to what your preference. If you're a tall person, just set it up a little higher. Now on four legs right here, adjust the legs. Okay, and that's it. And open up. So open the lid when you're ready to use, and put down the toilet seat. It's very steady, very strong. So this is very strong right here. Well, so this is how you assemble a commode. And so thank you very much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.